Now let us discuss this question. Here yx is the solution of differential equation which is given here. It means to say that y, after solving this differential equation, we will be getting y is equal to some quantity which will be dependent on x, and this statement says that yx is the solution of this differential equation, hence we will be getting here yx. Okay, this statement is clear. Yx is the solution of this differential equation in the case x is positive and y1 has value 2. So first of all we have to focus on this, that x must be positive, we can't take negative values. Okay, let's move forward. And the slope of the curve y is equal to yx is never 0. It means that if the curve is strictly decreasing or strictly increasing, and this curve is strictly increasing. Since we can see that here derivative of y with respect to x will always be negative, and here the derivative of y with respect to x will always be positive. So this is strictly increasing and this is strictly decreasing. So we can see that at any instant the derivative is not 0. Also here is not 0, here is also not 0, and we have to find the value of 10y of root 2. Okay, we have gone through this question and we have cleared each and every point which is mentioned in this question. Now we have to just solve the firstly solve this differential equation, x dy minus y square minus 4y dx is equal to 0. This term on right hand side, x dy is equal to y square minus 4y into dx. Terms containing y together. Now we will integrate both sides. Since we want to find y, so we have to find y, so y can only be found by removing these differential operators. After integrating both sides, we will be getting an integration constant also. Firstly, we should discuss a formula uh, which is integration of dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 by 2 times of a log of mod x minus a upon x plus a to the base e, or we can also say it is 1 by 2a natural log x minus a upon x plus a. So again, coming to the original equation, first of all we will be forming this y square minus 4y just like that, dy upon y minus 2 whole square minus 2 whole square. Okay, and this will be natural log of x. It is simply a formula and integration constant. uh, Now applying the formula here, 1 by, here a is 2, you can suppose y minus 2 here as t, then you will be getting dy is dt. So it will be forming equation integral like dt upon t square minus 2 square, which is similar to dx upon x square minus a square. So I'm not going to do this, that y minus 2 is equal to 2. You can understand it simply. We will be getting 2 into a, which is 2, ln y minus 2. Since we have supposed uh, t to y minus 2, so here we will also using y minus 2, not just only y. So y minus 2 minus 2 upon y minus 2 plus 2. Okay, here ln x plus c, or we can also write this c in the terms of log ln k. Here 2 and 2 will get cancelled out. Now 1 by 4 ln y minus 4 upon y is equal to ln kx. By log property, we can multiply these two arguments of log. In the next step, we will do this can be understood. Kx to the power 4. 4 will be giving here. After that, it will be getting in the power of the argument of log, which is property of log. So natural log of y minus 4 upon y is equal to ln kx to the power 4. We want just a constant, so it doesn't matter what this is, I suppose it to be k, any k. Since I will since we will be calculating at last what is constant, so it doesn't matter what is k to the power 4, what is k to the power 3, is simply a constant, so you can assume any variable. So taking its inverse both sides, then the log function will be cancelled. What is its inverse? What is the inverse of natural log? Exponential. So if we take exponential on both sides like this, so we know that of f of f inverse is if we talk about x is always x. So similarly we will be getting here y minus 4 upon y is equal to kx to the power 4 mod. So here two conditions may be possible, that y minus 4 upon y is equal to minus k x to the power 4. Since this quantity y minus 4 upon y under the mod may be negative, may be positive. So if we take negative, or we can say that this is positive, this is negative. If we take we can it may be negative, it may be positive. Simply putting y minus 4 by y is equal to kx to the power. So we know that y1 has value 2, y1 is equal to 2. So simply putting the value in both the condition. So simply putting the value uh, using this condition in both the equations, minus 1, y1 is 2, 2 minus 4 upon 2 is equal to k 1 to the power 4, or 2 minus 4 upon 2 k 1 to the power 4. Here value of k is equal to, here the value of k is equal to 1, and here k is equal to minus 1. So ultimately both equations are same. We can see here also minus 1 coming, and here is 1 coming. So ultimately both equations are same. So ultimately our equation is y minus 4 by y minus 4 by y is equal to minus x to the power 4. Simplifying this equation, my y minus 4 into minus x to the power 4 y plus x to the power 4 into y minus 4 is equal to 0. Let us verify that statement which is given at the last. The slope of the curve, the slope of the curve y is equal to yx is never 0. Since this is our required equation, so after differentiating equation, y dy by dx plus x to the power 4 dy by dx plus 4x cube y is equal to 0. Dy by dx from here will be minus of 4x cube y upon 1 plus x to the power 4. Since x is not 0, x is always greater than 0. It is only given, it is itself given in the question that x is positive. So we have to see y only. Since x cannot make 0 different this dy by dx. So if we take can be y 0? No, y cannot be 0. If y is 0, then we can see that here x will get an undefined quantity. So y also can't be 0. So this whole term is not equal to 0. Our second statement is also verified. Now we have to just find value of y root 2. Sorry, 10 into y root 2. So using this equation, putting value of x as root 2, so y of root 2 plus root to the power 4 into y of root 2 minus 4 is equal to 0. So y of root 2 will be common. Root to the power 4 will be 4 plus 1 minus 4 is equal to 0. So y root 2 will be 4 by 5, and we have asked that what is the value of 10 into y root 2. It will be 10 into 4 by 5, which is 8. Hence finally we calculated our answer also, which is 8. So thank you friends for being here. If you like the solution, hit the like button, and want more questions explained in this manner, so subscribe my channel Mathera and also press bell icon to get notified. Thank you.